Hello everyone, welcome to Code Guy channel. This is a workshop about how to implement the breadth first search algorithm. This workshop you will implement a function that generates all valid combinations of parentheses using the breadth first search algorithm approach. In the example in our workshop, we can see that every open parenthesis is supposed to have a closing one. On the first step, we need to create a function named genParentheses. This function will take single parameter pairs. The function should return empty list. Step 2. Before implementing the core algorithm, we need to validate the input. The parameter pair is supposed to be an integer. This parameter is representing the number of parentheses pairs to generate. Let's create if statement that will check if not is instance pair is integer, return the number of pairs should to be an integer. Step number 3. The number of pairs supposed to be at least 1. It cannot be 0 or have negative value because then we won't be capable to generate parentheses. Create if statement. If pairs is less than 1, return the number of pairs should to be at least 1. Step 4. Here we need to create variable named result. Initialize this variable with an empty list. This list will store all the valid parentheses combination you generate. Step 5. We need to define variable q. This variable will consist tuple with 3 elements. The first element it is a current string being built. Second element the number of open parentheses, and the third element is the closing parentheses number. Initial state will be empty string 0, 0. It means that for now we have an empty string and 0 parentheses used. Step 6. Now we are implementing the main BFS loop. While q is not empty, print q. While q, print q. Step 7. Queues has first in, first out approach. It means that first element that came to the queue is supposed to leave the queue first. This is why we will use the pop method on the queue variable. We also need to use unpacking syntaxes. Assign current, open used, closed used to the queue pop method. Step 8. Print genParentheses function and pass 1 as a parameter. In the console you can see that we are printing our queue and returning the empty list because we don't do anything with the result variable yet. Step 9. We need to identify where we are building the complete parentheses combination. Complete combination means that we double number of pairs. If len current equals 2 multiplied by pairs, result append current. Step 10. Add else block where we will handling opening parentheses. Then we need to add if statement to check if opening used is less than pairs. If condition is true, then append to the queue current plus opening brackets, open used plus 1 close used. Just a reminder, current plus open parentheses, it is the final result that we will show when we finish our algorithm. So we are concatenating the opening bracket. Then we have two counters, openings used and closes used. To the opening used, we add 1. Step 11. To maintain the balance, we need to add closing parentheses. If closes used less than open used, q append current plus closing parentheses, opens used, closes used plus 1. The same idea, concatenate the string and add 1 to closes used. Step 12. Print genParentheses function with 2 as a parameter. Step 13. We need to delete print q from the while loop. And the last step, 14. Print genParentheses with parameter 3. We are done. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.